Good Monday to you. Our nor'easter continues to bring more rain and more wind over the course of this day. Already, we have had near and over 2.5 inches of rain in places like Chilmark on the Vineyard, Brewster, West Harwich, Canton about 2.5 inches of rain, Wareham close to it as well. And so really it has been in southeasternmost Massachusetts, Plymouth, down toward the Cape and the islands, the south coast as well, that have had the most rain so far. As you go north and west, as expected, the amounts have been lighter with about 1/2 inch Lawrence, 3/4 of an inch in Boston, and just over an inch in Worcester. But we are not done yet. In fact, additionally, we may see another 1 to up to 2 or 3 inches of rain, with the highest totals still focused over southeastern Massachusetts as we go from today, tonight into Tuesday. This is a slow moving storm. It is a nor'easter as it is sitting to our south, squeezing those northeasterly winds with high pressure to the north. That high to the north blocking the storm from being able to scoop by us and head out to sea. That process is really not going to get going until later tomorrow and tomorrow evening. So this storm is with us through the day today, and it is not just the rain, it is the wind. Wind advisories do continue for the Cape and the islands till 8 o'clock this evening, so we may see some gusts near and over 50 miles per hour. We have already seen that. In fact, Wellfleet recording a wind gust to 65 miles per hour. Nantucket over 50, the Vineyard, Rockport, Blue Hill, all with wind gusts over 40 miles per hour. And those winds gradually start to step down as we come toward this evening. You can see by 6 o'clock or so, we're still getting widespread gusts over 20 and 30 miles per hour, but still some gusts over 40 miles per hour out toward the Cape. Those will tend to diminish overnight, and you'll really notice the winds coming down tomorrow. So the impacts of this storm for your Monday, the rain is going to cause ponding of water on the roads and make for slow driving. That rain and wind bringing a lot of leaves down off the trees, so that can make the roads a little bit slippery. It can also clog the storm drains and lead to some localized flooding. The wind may lead to some isolated power issues, especially down toward the coast, the Cape, the islands where the wind is strongest. And we're going to be keeping an eye on the next high tide, which comes in around 5 o'clock this afternoon for some minor coastal flooding. You can see it's just over 10 feet, but when you get the wave action on top of that, in addition, that persistent wind pushing the water on shore, we could have some minor coastal flooding, and really the beach erosion that we've been seeing now for 24 hours is going to continue. So take a look at the next 12 hours in Boston. What you see is what you get. Rain at times of varying intensity, but temperatures stuck in the mid 50s with that northeasterly wind kind of giving you a windswept soaking rain right in the face. And you can see through late morning, rain is really heaviest in the eastern half of the state, but we will see these waves of moisture continue to come in off the ocean right up until this evening. The showers get a little bit more scattered as we get into the overnight hours, but there may even be a rumble of thunder into tonight. And then tomorrow morning, we're waking up to these showers and pockets of rain. Look what happens over the course of the day. They start to diminish, and the rain will taper to just some spotty showers and eventually some drizzle, and eventually we dry out as the storm kicks on out of here. So slow improvements. Rain continues tonight. We're near 50. And on Tuesday, I mentioned it's wet in the morning through about noontime, and then it dries out a little bit late day as the storm finally starts to move away. Big area of high pressure going to come in on Wednesday, and this is going to keep us dry through the end of the week, but just a little bit cool. Notice temperatures Thursday and Friday are only in the 50s. Still dry this weekend. Some increasing clouds on Sunday, but those temperatures are moderating back through the 60s.